Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do brick job in Sodor Online Easy Method. Start by equipping the trowel and selecting a flat plot near the station. Inspect available bricks and plan a short wall section to practice even rows and consistent mortar. Work in small panels, check alignment with the grid, and keep a steady pace so you avoid costly mistakes and learn the rhythm of efficient bricklaying. Gather tools like the trowel, bucket, and leveling tool before you begin. Organize bricks into stacks of 10 to simplify counting and prevent inventory clutter. Practice mixing mortar in small batches to maintain consistent texture and adhesion during laying. Clean tools regularly to keep mortar from hardening on edges and slowing your pace. With tools staged and materials measured, you will build neater walls faster and feel confident progressing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite made my breaks more relaxing with clear pages and waterproof design, perfect for downtime between builds. It fits easily in a pocket for commute reading and has long battery life so you read without fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adopt a steady two-step rhythm for placing bricks and applying mortar to maximize speed and accuracy. Focus on short sections and use quick, frequent checks so misalignment does not compound across the wall. Rotate tasks with a partner if possible to cut down time and keep momentum. Practice efficient movement between stacks and the wall, and you will shave minutes off each job while keeping quality consistent and learning better workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.